This is ginger. Ginger is a powerful natural substance that is help in poultry. You make use of ginger in CRD. You can as well combine ginger and honey. So that's why in this particular video, we are treating the usefulness of ginger and honey in taking care of CRD, cough, and other respiratory infections. Watch to the end. Honey, see it. The same honey you lick, same honey you can use to drink tea. That's the same honey I'm using here. Don't ask me which honey. Is it a butterfly honey? No, this is bee honey and ginger. Honey and ginger are two powerful natural remedies that can help you as a poultry farmer. It can at the same time help your poultry birds, strengthen your chickens, strengthen their immune system, support their respiratory health, soothe coughing, and improve recovery from respiratory infections. When used alongside or when used together with good poultry management skills and appropriate vet care, you get the best result. I can't end this video without giving you the nutritional analysis of ginger and honey. But note that CRD or chronic respiratory disease or infection is often caused by mycoplasma. That's the main organism that causes CRD. Mycoplasma galispiticum, that is the name of this particular parasite. And it may involve secondary bacterial infections. But honey and ginger can support recovery and reduce symptoms. But they should be considered as a complete natural remedy if you have good management skill in your poultry farm. There are a lot of things you need to do in your poultry farm to avoid CRD. Now, what are the medicinal properties of ginger? The one you are seeing on the screen. Ginger, or Zingiber officinale, it is a botanical name. For those from other countries that doesn't speak English, contains many natural biotic compounds that contribute to poultry health and help to take care of infections like CRD, cough, and others. It has the following active ingredients or compounds that make up the ginger. One, it has what we call gingerol. It has shagol. It has zingeron. It has paradol. It has essential oils. In fact, our cure is made up of ginger oil. It has flavonoid. It has polyphenol. It has typonoid. It has vitamin B6. It has vitamin C also. It has potassium. It has magnesium. It has zinc, and it has iron. All these compounds make up what we call ginger. What are the benefits of ginger in chickens? One, natural antibacterial activity. It helps inhibit the growth of several bacteria, reducing bacterial load in the digestive tract of your poultry and livestock animals. It supports respiratory health. It suits airways of your poultry and livestock animal, thereby reducing coughing associated with respiratory infections. In fact, there was a time we attended one church program. As we were moving on the road, the dust was too much. In fact, I contacted cough. It was one woman, as I was coughing, one woman behind me told me, please, if you go home, just take ginger. That time I have not even entered into this organic issue by then. I got home, I bought that ginger and took it that night. In fact, the thing cleared my throat as a human being. Now think of animals that are receptive to most of all these natural substances. It's rich in antioxidants. It protects body issues against oxidative stress. It boosts immunity. It supports best natural immune defense. It improves digestion. It stimulates digestive enzymes and improves food utilization in poultry and livestock animals. Appetite stimulant. It encourages intake of food, especially in recovery birds or birds that are passing through stress. It reduces internal parasite burden. Traditionally, if you use ginger, it supports intestinal detoxification and clears intestinal parasites, which reduces the load of intestines in the tracts of your poultry and livestock animals. It helps reduce stress in birds. Its antioxidant properties may help birds to cope better during heat or environmental stress. It supports growth. Digestive aid of the ginger contribute to better weight gain in your poultry and livestock animals. It improves feed conversion. Better nutrient absorption can improve feed efficiency. It supports liver function. It helps protect liver cells from oxidative damage, thereby promoting the lifespan of your poultry and livestock animals. In fact, if you know birds that are reared organically, they can stay long. I have birds that are over 2 months, over 12 weeks. At times, I keep birds up to 6 months. The same broilers you keep 6 weeks and start breathing. I'm dying. I still keep, at times I keep broilers for experimental purpose up to 6 months, and they still live. If they're organically reared, they can stay as long as possible. But if you're using drugs, they may not stay long and you lose them. If you keep them too long, you lose them. It supports gut health. It protects healthier intestinal environment. It improves egg production in laying birds. Healthier birds often maintain better laying performance and quality eggs. It improves fertility, mostly if you're into breeding. That is day-old production. You're into parent stock rearing. Generally, it improves the health and positively influence reproductive performance of your poultry birds. Especially the crossing of the male and female is activated through ginger. Now, what of the properties of honey in poultry? Honey contains many natural nutrients and biotic substances that make it powerful and active in poultry and livestock. Number one is natural sugar. That's glucose and fructose, flavonoids, phenolic acids, enzymes. It contains amino acids, contains vitamin B complex. You know the work of vitamin B complex in poultry, healing of wounds, support growth and others. It has vitamin C in small amount. It has potassium. It has calcium. It has magnesium. It has iron. It has zinc. It has copper and antioxidant. Medicinal benefits of honey in chicken. One, natural energy source. Honey provides rapid available energy for weak and stressed birds. It supports immunity. It contains antioxidants that help support the immune system of your poultry and livestock animals. It helps soothe the throat. Its soothing properties may reduce inflammations associated with coughing. Mild antibacterial activities. Honey has natural antibacterial properties due to the ability and acidity of the hydrogen peroxide that is produced in honey through the high sugar concentration. It supports wound healing. If you use ordinary honey and touch your wound as a human being, rub it there. If you go to some hospitals, when the navel of children after birth, some nurses that are into organic, we used to tell them use honey or the jelly and rub it. But mostly they prefer honey. It helps birds recover from illness. It provides energy during recovery. It supports wound healing. It supports beneficial gut bacteria. It acts as mind. Let's stop this video here. I'm going live tomorrow. I just rested today as my birthday. Tomorrow I'm going live. I don't know the time yet. It may be in the evening time, between 4 to 5, within that period. If you want to join us in the live program tomorrow, be online. You will learn a lot. If you want to join, it's not by force. Thank you for watching. Let's stop this video here. Share the video.